Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the features or the new editing style for your photo to make your photo much more better. So I would like to use the PixArt application on my phone. In the PixArt application, there could be one features that could be underrated by everyone, but then these features can give you a good end result for your photo. Now you just need to tap into this plus button, and then you just need to pick the picture that you want to edit right here. Let's say I would like to do it this one, or I think I would like to choose the one that haven't had the emoji on it. Okay, perfect. And then the next, you just need to click on this button feature and then slide the feature into the left side. So this new editing is really insane because it's so simple, but then can make your photo looks good. The tools or the features is mask. Tap on it. There could be like a lot of mask options that you can use to apply it into your photo. There could be several options. You can just tap into this section and found the mask that you want to apply it into your photo. And here the things or the features that I use the most, it could be into this shadow, because I can add a shadow for this picture, and there could be a laces, a lot of type of lace here, and then you can just pick one of them. It could be this one. I would like to try to add this, and you'll see the result. See, the picture looks much more better. It just like take or capture whenever the sun is out of your window, and it could give a shadow of your window since it's already got the shine from the sun. There could be also the shadow 1 and shadow 2 that can also give you different taste or different look for this shadow from the window that get a light from the sun. You'll see that's really easy to make your photo looks good only with the PixArt application. And right after you got one of the best masks that you want to use here, and then just tap apply and download it, and you are ready to upload this into your social media. That's for this tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.